Unlocking the joy. The meaning of roar with laughter. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that paints a vivid picture of joy and amusement. Roar with laughter. This phrase is a brilliant example of how English can use strong visuals to describe emotions. So, if you've ever wondered what it means to roar with laughter or how to use this expression in your conversations, you're in the right place. Roar with laughter is an idiom that describes a loud, uncontrollable laughter. The word roar is typically used to describe the loud sound an animal, like a lion, makes. However, when used in this phrase, it metaphorically represents a person laughing so loudly and deeply that it can be compared to the roar of a lion. This expression conveys a sense of overwhelming amusement or joy, suggesting that the laughter is not just heard but felt by those around. While the exact origins of roar with laughter are not pinpointed in specific historical contexts, it's clear that the phrase has been in use for centuries. It draws on the powerful imagery of a roar to describe human laughter, showing the deep-rooted love for expressive and vivid language in English culture. This idiom beautifully illustrates how language evolves, borrowing elements from different contexts to enrich communication. To fully grasp the essence of roar with laughter, let's look at some examples. 1. In storytelling, the comedian's joke was so unexpected that the audience roared with laughter. 2. In everyday conversation, I hadn't laughed that hard in years. We roared with laughter over the old memories. 3. In writing, the play was a success, filling the theater with the sound of the audience roaring with laughter. These examples show that roar with laughter can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to formal storytelling and writing. Using phrases like roar with laughter adds color and depth to language. It allows speakers to convey the intensity of laughter and joy in a vivid, memorable way. For English language learners, mastering such idiomatic expressions can greatly improve both understanding and the ability to express emotions more effectively. It's a testament to the richness of English and its ability to capture the full spectrum of human experience. I hope this exploration of roar with laughter has added a new layer of understanding and appreciation for the beauty and complexity of the English language. Remember, language is not just about communication. It's also an art form that allows us to express the full range of human emotions in creative and impactful ways. Keep laughing, keep learning, and may your journey through English be filled with moments that make you roar with laughter. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.